Hey Divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now, so if you guys are interested then definitely keep on watching. Okay Divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by West Kiss, so thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so now that we've unboxed the goodies, let's get right into the hair. So here is the unit, you guys, and she looks so beautiful. She's this beautiful chocolate brown color. Like, get into it. This is so perfect for fall. So get into the details, you guys. This is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut. I will not have to do anything but install the unit. It even comes with a little bit of baby hairs right there, and it's also styled with these two braids on the side, which I'm super excited to get into. But you guys, look, like, it's even like I'm literally gonna have to do nothing for this install but tint. Like, look at how gorgeous this looks. So here is the cap construction. As you guys can see, it is a 5x5 closure area, and it does come with combs. It comes with two combs on the side here, as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and it also comes with a adjustable elastic band. So now I'm gonna put the wig straight onto my head, straight out of the box, just to see how it looks. I know that I'm gonna have to tint it because I know the lace is light, but I just want to see like what we're working with and show you guys like how good this wig is. Okay, so this is how it looks straight onto my head, and I think it looks so good. Honestly, I could get away without tinting it probably, but I'm not even gonna play myself like that. But it does look good, y'all. Like, it looks really good. As you guys can see, it's melting in. I can definitely see like the lighter part of the lace, but however, it's still blending in and melting in pretty good. So all I have to do is literally tint the lace. It even comes with the baby hairs right here. Y'all, this wig looks so good already. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all, so I have my little curly hair kit here. Everything in this basket is from Amazon. But let me quickly go over it with you guys. The spray bottle and comb and brush set actually came in a kit, and I will have everything linked down in the description box below. So it does come with two curl defining brushes. It also comes with a comb as well as a spray bottle. Okay, so we're gonna be needing I think I'm gonna use this brush and then the spray bottle out of this kit, but these are really good to have, especially if you're a wig wearer. Like, you need these at all times. Then I also have my products here. I'm gonna be using the ones by Baddie. If I was gonna wash it, like co-wash it, I would use this. This is the Cleanse Me co-wash. So if you are a co-washer, definitely do that. And then I'm also gonna be using the Moisturize Me Style and Curl Milk. Also going to be the Love Me 5-in leave-in treatment. And of course, I'll be using the Baddie mousse. So we're gonna get into styling, but I'm gonna tint the lace first. I'm just gonna use the foundation that I'm gonna be wearing today to tint the lace. Y'all, look at how it looks after I tint my lace. Like, you cannot even see it anymore. This is crazy. Okay, West Kiss, I see you. Yes, this blend with this lace is crazy. But anyways, we're gonna start defining the curls, so let's get into that. Okay, you so now that you guys have seen all the details and the specs as well as me style this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. So today we have this unit that is pre-prepared with everything, okay? It is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-style. We even have these two cute braids here, and as you guys can see, the hairline looks really good. All I did was lay it down with some mousse as well as the West Kiss melting band, and that's all I did. So it looks really, really good. Like, do you guys see the melts? Like, what wig? Like, this is my hair. As far as the cap construction goes, as you guys seen in the previous clips, we do have combs as well as adjustable strap and adjustable elastic band. This unit is able to be worn glueless because it has the maximum amount of security, and what that means is that you don't have to worry about your wig going anywhere because it has all the precautions for your wig not to come off. Now let's go ahead and dive into the hair. As you guys seen, I did use some products to go ahead and define the curls and just kind of, you know, like just define them just a little bit, and I wanted to kind of loosen them up a little bit and also to comb them out for just to define them, and also for the length because this is a 22-inch. Now if you're not familiar with curly hair, in case you're like, girl, that looks more like an 18 or a 16, curly hair does have shrinkage, okay? So like, for example, if you want your hair to look like it is 18 inches, you will probably want to go more so with this length, and if you want it to look like is basically just go 2 up. That's what I would recommend, like 2 inches up. So if you wanted a 20-inch or a 20-inch, then you would go for a 22. I'm sorry. So if you wanted an 18-inch, then you would get a 20-inch, if you guys get what I'm saying, okay? Yeah, I feel like this is a really good length, especially because this unit is 250% density. She is very full, as you guys can see, which I absolutely love. I love hair that has like a lot of volume, and it looks really gorgeous with this color and just this overall style as well. So I'm happy that it has a bigger volume and density. So I feel like if it was longer, it probably would have been hard to like get through defining and all that. It's not impossible, but I don't know, like I would prefer my hair if it's a higher density and it's curly. Like, yeah, let's do a good length because it's gonna be hard to, you know, style it, or it's gonna take a lot of time, not hard. Yeah, this is the perfect length, which is 22 once again. And I like it. It's a really good, like kind of like a little bit past the shoulders length. It looks really good with this hairstyle as well. They did so good on the braids and like the hairline and everything, you guys. I'm wearing this wig straight out of the box. She just looks so gorgeous. I really, really like this unit. I love the color as well. Now let's get into the shedding and tangling. As far as shedding and tangling, I did experience some shedding as well as some tangling, but that is to be expected with this texture. Now, was it anything that was overwhelming? Absolutely not. It was totally normal. So with texture units, whether it's like a kinky straight or a kinky curly or a curly unit, you will experience some type of shedding and tangling because of the texture of the hair. It just happens, right? Like even with your texture hair, that happens, but it was nothing that I was like, wow, like I'm losing a lot of hair, because obviously there's still a lot of hair on this unit. So I was not losing a lot of hair, but I did want to let you guys know that it is present, and the reality of it is that with it being a texture unit, you are going to experience that. However, if you use the correct products, you will be absolutely fine and able to style the hair. Hair is also very soft. I did want to note that, and the curls are absolutely beautiful. I love these curls, especially after like defining them and everything and letting them really come to life. They are so gorgeous, so pretty. Like I really, really do like it. This is the perfect hair for fall and winter. Number one, because the density, and then the curls are just so gorgeous. I think you'll really enjoy this unit, and she's definitely worthy of being in your wig arsenal. And I like the fact that she is different, that she has these two braids. Like it's just so freaking cute to me. And not to mention, like, y'all, get into, oh, I'm so sorry you guys, I don't know what happened with the lighting, but get into like the hairline and everything. Like it just looks so freaking good. And I literally laid my hair with mousse, and is just laying down and looking good. So this is truly a glueless unit, and it's really high quality, really nice, worth every coin, however much it costs, which I will have that in the description box below in case you guys are interested in that. And of course you can look down there for coupon codes and things like that. But yeah, divas, overall I really like this unit. Definitely feel like she's worthy of being in your wig arsenal. If you are a diva that loves curly hair, this will be really perfect. Not only are the curls beautiful, but the color is beautiful, as well as the creative style that they did and the perfect cap construction, okay? Because what more can you ask for than to be able to wear this every day and be able to take it off at night if you want to? Like, you can't ask for anything more. Like, look, get into it. Get into it. Yeah, divas, that's pretty much it. Make sure you go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this hair. Let me know what you think about the hairline on this baby, okay? Because she looks so good and she's glueless, okay? This is literally mousse holding it down, and it looks so good. Be sure to go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will not miss any of my upcoming videos or posts. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. It is greatly appreciated, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.